I said we're reviewing the Ram today. Reviewing the Ram today. We got low fuel and I got to get it cleaned up, but we're reviewing the Ram Covert today. Let's go. Well, I'm taking care of the part of the detail. I'm gonna knock the dust off, get it to our detail department. Park sensors going off everywhere. But this car wash actually does a great job, y'all. You know, when I first saw this, I was like, we can't be taking these in the car wash, don't mess them up, but no issue whatsoever. So y'all, just got through finishing a video on, had a bug on me, y'all. Just got through finishing a video of 2021 Akins Jeep Wrangler Apex Edition at Sahara in the beautiful billet silver. Be sure and check out that one, y'all. Behind us, we got a 2021 Ram 1500 Bighorn Covert Edition on that 3.5-inch kit. Let's go. So here in 2021, we've had great success with our Ram 1500 truck, specifically our Covert Edition package. This is our first one, can you believe it, that we did the Ready Lift 3.5-inch SST lift kit on the factory wheel with 35s. How's it work? Let's go. So the Ready Lift 3.5-inch SST kit, if you've stuck around at all or seen our videos, you know we truly love this one. Got upper control arms, your spacer there, spacer in the back as well. It's a great kit, very proportional as far as the overall aesthetic size and just overall balance of this kit. We like to do level kits and tire swaps on our Ram trucks as well, but we found that this 3.5-inch kit from Ready Lift with any wheel and tire combo of any substance is a perfect overall setup. This is the way we feel like this truck should come from the factory. It does not look, I mean, it looks leveled, y'all. It's 3.5-inch SST kit, that mid-level lift technology from Ready Lift, but the overall balance and proportion of this truck is perfect. Let me know what you think about us sticking with the factory wheel. I actually like this factory wheel from Ram quite a good bit. There's another factory wheel that Ram offers on their Bighorns and up that I'm not as much of a fan of. I like this kind of concave wheel more than the flat face wheel. This one works very nicely. So the Bighorn package, Ram 1500 with the 5.7 with the e-torque, so it has a small hybrid motor in there as well. Some pretty cool technology. Just a little side note there, but how we make this work on the factory wheel is typically a metric tire size, or we found, I was able to find a good quantity of the 35, 11.5, 20 ridge grapper. So the 11.5 width keeps you off of this upper control arm knuckle, and you can see it's still pretty tight, but if you went 12.5 wide, it would not work on a factory wheel. So we make it work by doing that. Also a 295, 65, 20 tire wheel setup would work also on a factory wheel, so keep that in mind. 35, 11.5, 20, or a 295, 65, 20 if you want a true 35 is the way to make it work on the factory wheel. So love this kit. We've also cleaned it up by adding some power boards. That's almost just something that's getting to be a must now. Just love the functionality of it. Entry and exits is much improved. We got the new Weathertech floor mats. Yes, there are new Weathertech floor mats. That's not what you typically think of. These are even a little bit better than the predecessor, so keep that in mind when you're purchasing Weathertechs, y'all. Typically the part number has IM after it, so whatever the normal part number is, it has an IM after it to notate the new style. So also cat skin leather with Ram's contrasting colors. They've got a lot of silver, gray, and black. We like to do the sides being black and the centers being perforated, but also the gray. So you can see the difference in the contrast there. It just makes it look more custom and unique. Just a little bit different than just slapping black in here or slapping the all gray set. We like to do this two-tone just because it makes a little bit better difference. It just kind of makes it stand out ever so slightly more. So really do like that. You got your 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen. Got auxiliary switches on this one. Tow package as well. I love how Ram puts their steering controls on the back side also. Just a great interior overall, much improved from the prior generations. This is the 5th gen Ram truck. We got an Akins liner and also a roll and lock A-series bed cover. Look at that spacer on the back right there on top, and it does have a coil spring in the rear, no leaf spring, so that's a little bit different in the Ram, but I think it rides so nicely, y'all. I love the way this truck rides. Mild to wild scale on that factory wheel, we're pretty conservative. We're not sticking out at all, so we're definitely mild on our mild to wild scale. But as far as just overall balance, this truck is just A1. I love the way it looks. Even on the factory wheel, it just has that look to where you see it at a stoplight, you like, what is different about this truck? I can tell if they've done something to it. A little bit of a lift. I see a factory wheel. What size tire is that? This truck will have people asking questions in their mind, at least, if they see you in this ride. So this one's available, y'all, as of the 4th of June. Hit us up for all of your vehicle needs. Ram, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, and Ford as well. We got you covered. And let me know what you think about this Covert package that we've done on the factory wheel. So we've had great success, mostly with aftermarket wheels. But we know this one will sell fast too because it's just classy, clean, and elegant, all in one. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you're a Ford guy, we got some special Ford stuff coming to you very soon. So stick around, but show some appreciation to the Rams because they've done a great job with this 5th gen Ram. I hear a Mustang. So thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, peace out.